So, yung itatakal naman natin ngayon is logarithmic function or how to derive logarithmic function. So, sa logarithmic, kailangan na natin tandaan na yung derivative of ln x is equals to 1 over x times x prime. Okay, so and yung naman, yung derivative of log with a different base is d over dx of log base ax is equals to 1 over x ln a. And lastly, ito pala is hindi ganyan, so yun pala yung tama yan, x prime times yan. Okay, so ito lang yung kailangan natin tandaan. Okay, so try natin mag-solve. So for example, we have y equals ln 5x squared plus 1. So if you want to try, pwede mo naman din pause mo lang saglit kasi itatry ko na siya i-solve now. So y prime is equals to ba yung ln x is equal to ln u is equals to u prime over u. So yung ating u here, u is equals to 5x squared plus 1, and yung ating u prime naman is 10x. So to substitute lang nito, yung formula na gagamitin natin is 10x over 5x squared plus 1. Ganun na siya kadali. So ito na yung final answer natin. So to try another, let's try another example. So example, y equals log 3x. So yung formula natin kanina is d over dx of log base a of x would equal to 1 over x ln a. So here, yung a natin dito is a is equals to 3, so yun na naman yung mapabago. So y prime is equals to 1 over x ln 3. So ganun na siya kadali. So for the sake of practice, let's try another problem, last one. So for example, we have y equals ln x cube. So paano naman to? Gagamitan na natin ng power rule kasi mayroong power dito. So ating u is equal to x cube, and yung ating u prime is equals to 3x squared. And yung formula naman natin gagamitin, formula na gagamitin naman natin is ln x ln u is equal to u prime over u. So substitute lang natin. Ating u prime is 3x squared and ang ating u is x cubed. So ganun na siya kadali. Sana may natutunan kayo.